People think bicycle touring is all adventure, but they don't see the traffic, the storms, the loneliness, or the days where you're just trying to survive. That's exactly what this stretch through Virginia turned into. These windy hills are so hard, and there's fucking traffic. I've been climbing for the last hour, and now I'm on this fucking highway with a bike lane. Man, that shit was horrible, dude. There was no end to the hill. It was like at least a mile or two straight of just uphill. Dude, why is these people getting close? What the fuck y'all doing? Don't tell me to turn left. Yep, you got me fucked up, bro. I'm behind this Kroger. I'm staying here because dude, fucking traffic, it's Friday, bro. That's probably why it's so bad. Dude, I don't even understand these roads, man. The double lane roads, like 2 lanes, one on, you know, like forward and whatever, you know what I'm talking about, with the double yellow lines. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. The traffic once you get past like Arlington, dude, it's a wrap, bro. It's automatically just shitty until you get to Georgia. Based on my experience, North Carolina, not looking forward to it, but I'm gonna go visit my boy there, obviously. And it's gonna be hard, bro. It gets really bad. I remember when I first crossed over to the North Carolina side in 2024 when I was riding my first time. Within 2 minutes of me crossing the border, this fucking car just whips past me so fast. And he was literally, if I would have like literally just nudged over, I would have got fucking destroyed. And it happened so fast I couldn't even react. I was like, well, here goes a taste of fucking North Carolina. And yeah, the whole way, man, it was like, fuck, this sucks, bro. It wasn't even hilly, it was just the traffic. And then South Carolina, same thing, not hilly, it's just so bad. Rumble strips, fucking dump trucks, motherfucking logging trucks. It's like, dude. And when I went through there, like in 2024, a hurricane went through and flooded a bunch of side roads. People were using canoes to get to their houses and shit, bro. I'm like, what the hell's going on? Kayaks and canoes just parked instead of cars. Imagine that. And then dump trucks and freaking log. It was so bad. I forgot what that fucking hurricane was that hit in 2024, but it fucked shit up. And just like, originally I was on the CNO and it was just raining the whole time. Then once I left Arlington, it was just nothing but fucking, it was horrible, man. Traffic was so bad, bro. But anyway, I'm here on the side of this road here. It's pretty busy, so I don't think anybody will see me. That's like situational awareness choice right there, by the way. You pick a spot that's off the road because people ain't gonna be trying to pull over to stop. However, there is a turn here. It goes inside a neighborhood, but either way, they're not really focused on the woods. There is a sidewalk. Nobody really gives a shit. It's just one of those things, you know? It's like hide in plain sight kind of thing, you know? Yay, another thunderstorm is coming. You gotta love it down south, guys. They hit hard out here, bruh. We were at this Kroger. We slept behind it last night in the woods. It's not bad. I actually slept okay. Right now we're drinking my favorite beverage of all time, an Alani. Just had a protein bar and I'm about to dip out here in a minute. I might as well get out here soon because it's Saturday and it's early still and there's not a lot of fucking people out right now, so it's actually probably the best time for me to bounce, so I don't have to worry about traffic and probably get a decent amount of miles today for once. Tomorrow same thing, so yeah. It's completely dead out here, man. The last time I was on this road, it was fucking busy where I couldn't even fucking ride on it. I had to walk once I got across the street. It was horrible. Now it's dead. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't feel like riding anymore, but I have a lot on my mind, so I'm gonna think about some shit and just chill. I do like taking days like that. I haven't really gone many miles in the last couple of days. I have no idea why, to be perfectly honest with you. I don't know what my motivation level is. There's somebody here. No, they're not. Okay, anyway, this park is pretty dope. They're remodeling all the baseball fields out here, so basically I don't foresee anybody using them. So I feel like this will be pretty quiet. There's a bathroom right here, which is open, by the way, and I took a shit. There's a spigot of water, and down here is an outlet. I think it works. I'm pretty confident it works. But I want to stay here because sometimes I gotta take moments to just reflect on shit and think about shit. I'm in the middle of like something right now where I'm like changing in ways that I never imagined that I could do, which is a good thing, by the way. It's just I need time to sit here and process certain things, which kind of shits on everybody. But at least I already posted some videos and shit, so it's not really like it's a big deal. But sometimes it's like the whole reason why I came out here. It's just the change and a thing in a positive way. I'm fucking tired too, I'm not gonna lie. This is a second day I've been at this place. This is a bathroom, but except this is the back of it, so nobody even knows I'm back here. As long as I don't go around these corners, nobody even has a freaking clue. I've had a lot on my mind, man. It's hard to explain. I don't want to expose too much of my shit, but here I am getting rained on, deep in thought. I'm only staying here one more night, which is tonight, and then I'm bouncing in the morning. Because it's not supposed to rain. I just didn't feel like riding in the rain today. I mean, I could have done it, you know, whatever, but it's been raining all freaking day, man. All day, just non-stop. I'm just like, I'll just be soaked going to my next stealth spot. Because I'm still stealthing for the next couple days, you know what I mean? So it's like, dang, dude. So I'm still on my way to Wilmington, North Carolina to visit my friend Jonathan. Yeah, he's a good dude. You know, I went to Afghanistan with him twice. We were in different platoons, but we were still like in the same company. But we were in Wounded Warrior together, and we used to play Nazi zombies in Wounded Warrior in Camp Leatherneck. That was good times. But yeah, I'm just... Sometimes I wish I had some peeps to talk to about some deep ass shit. And it's hard being out here alone sometimes, man. I will not deny it. It's rough. Especially when you're on the road. When you're on trails, like, you can meet people like all the time. It's easy because people are on trails. But when you're on the road, it's really actually not that common. It's really hard sometimes. And now, like, yeah, that's... I can't explain it. I mean, I feel like a lot of people on the road, they know what I'm talking about, you know? When you're on the road, like, dodging traffic and shit, like, you stop, you eat somewhere, you're just, dude, you're just surviving, bro. Like, there's no time to really... I mean, it's not a bad thing. I enjoy my life, but there's just... Sometimes it gets lonely, dude. Like, I'm not gonna fucking lie. The thunder's here with me, though, so there's that. But, you know, sometimes it just be like that, bro. It's hard, you know? Get me back on a fucking trail. was stressing out about going 40 miles today to this Dollar General because I was like, man, I really don't have any food. Then I stopped at this gas station right here, bro. It's pretty sick. I bought a bunch of fucking shit. Some protein bars, Gatorade. They have sandwiches in there. I got the steak, egg, and cheese bun. And I'm gonna drink, you know, the Lonnie, baby. Let's go. I'm climbing this fucking demon hill, bro. It's definitely my first hike a bike today. Literally, I've been climbing hills all day, like normal. But this one was fucking gnarly, dude. Ugh. After 40 miles, we finally made it to the Dollar General so I can resupply. Literally, I had to go 40 miles to do this resupply. That was the only known place I could do it.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How about you guys?
Alrighty.
I swear, these things are so popular now that everybody buys them. These things are lifesavers. Oh yeah. Cajun chicken, not bad. $54 for like 3 days worth of food, pretty much. Well, maybe. I think it was mainly the fucking bug spray, man. It's like $8 a can. I bought 2 cans. I am so tired of running out of bug spray. But anyway, let's bounce.